So today we're going to do an unboxing on this KNF ND filter, and there's a lot of information on how to use this and the reasons why you want to use this here in the community. But essentially, if you're shooting at a 1.4 aperture, just like I am right here, if you happen to shoot in the morning time when it's really sunny, your shutter speed is going to go crazy and it's going to show overexposed. So one of the things that a lot of people say is to utilize something like this because it's kind of like putting sunglasses to a camera. And again, using a filter like this should allow you to keep your camera 1.4. You won't have any overexposed footage, right? So that is the point in here. We're just going to do an unboxing. Later on, we're going to do some testing in the channel. So make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when we do the testing. So this is going to be the KNF Concept 67mm variable ND2 to ND400. And I love the variable part because depends how sunny it is outside. You should be able to make some adjustments there. So we're going to open it up and give you a look. This is going to be the case right there. And again, just giving you a quick look on the case right there. There's going to be like a little cloth right here to clean it up. Obviously, it comes in a little nice wrapper. We're going to open this up. And I like that it comes in a plastic case because obviously, if you want to put it away or if you want to put it inside a backpack or something like that, you don't want this to get scratched or anything like that, right? So I love the case. Looks like plastic. Looks like it's pretty decent quality. And here it is. So we're going to get it out of here. You got a little bit of fun right here to protect the lens. And you got the lens right here. It doesn't feel too heavy or anything like that. Obviously, this is going to be 67mm. There is going to be other sizes out there, all the way from 37mm to 82 mils. And again, depends on the lens that you have. It's going to be the size that you're going to need. And here's a quick look right there. Like I said, this is going to be like sunglasses to your camera. You can see obviously this is going to screw to the front of your lens, and then you're going to be able to make adjustments. And as I move it around here, you guys can see how the little thing right there and how you can move it right there, right? So again, you're going to be able to move it just like this, and that should give you an idea. And it is going to have some marking right here. It says 67 mag ND2 to 400, and I'm just going to show you some of the marking that it has right there, little bubbles right there. So again, looking forward to test this out on my Sigma lens. There you have it, guys. Stay tuned because we're going to do some testing with this lens and this camera. Let me know what you think. We'll see you in the next one.